Oh hey, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a giant egg tart for my boy Jeff. It's his birthday, and you know, why not celebrate with something a bit unusual? He really likes egg tarts, like one of those Chinese bakery egg tarts. So we're going to try and recreate it. I don't know how hard it is to do, but we shall find out. And if it ends horribly, I'm very sorry, Jeff. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, the scale is out. The big old metal bowl is out. Oh, it's everywhere. Okay. It's actually smoking up everywhere. Did I wash this properly? I don't... It might be jalapeno tasting. How much butter? 170 gram. Okay. Oh, I don't... The texture's a bit... The texture's a bit... Leave it. Really? Chuck that in. Okay. We're gonna do a bit of this action. Am I doing this right? Jeff, I'm so sorry if this is shit. Oh, wait. Oh, it's definitely feeling like it wants to come together now. It smells quite nice. Why does flour and butter just smell nice? You wanna put that into the frig. Now you're meant to use cling film. I played myself, I don't have any cling film. So we're gonna have to use foil like a ratchet hoe. And hopefully that still works. That's fine. That's fine, look at that. Is that an ASMR moment I hear? Cheeky bumhole. I mean, is it kind of airtight? Fuck it, we'll throw it in the fridge anyway. And we'll come back to that. We got our timer going off. It's been 20 minutes. I feel like that's pretty cold. Let's roll the dough into a roughly 6 by 15 inch rectangle. Maths? What fuck? Oh, what the hell? I'm actually an idiot. 12. 3. What? There to there. That's massive. And then 6. Alright, we're doing it. Lightly flour this bitch up. I see. Is this overworking? Mine looks a lot more wet than hers. So I feel like I should probably maybe add more flour. But we're here now. And we're gonna, ooh, hello. This is an absolute meh. I'm gonna fold it again, just for the bounce. What the oh, it's sticking again. It's actually too wet. I think I need to add like hella flour to this. That's not hella flour. Oh, look, it looks actually horrible now. Have I fucked it already? What are these crackly bits doing, man? Join up with the rest of the crew. Come on, work with me. Do it for Jeff. Fold the top third of the dough. I need. For peace of mind, I need it to be a rectangle, I think, or else I'm gonna think it's just my fault. Which it is. Fold the top third of the... It's all sticking. Top... Center? Oh, that's bad. Okay. I think... Oh, that's stuck. I think she wants this kind of thing going. Probably not that. Oh, you know what? We're just gonna add more flour. And we're gonna give it another mix. Because I don't know what was going on there. But shit was sticking all over the gaff. I feel a bit more confident now. I've kind of got my roll. This needs to go. I've got my rolling technique down a bit. Yeah, we're not sticking. So that's not too bad. You know what? I'm actually as soon as I got a bit of confidence, you decide to fuck me. Man, hers looks perfect and mine's looking a bit rustic. Right, fold the top third to the middle. That came with it. I don't know what you're talking about. And then for this bottom third, that's also falling apart. Over. Okay, so this is the layer. We're layering out here. We're layering. Oh, this isn't going well. It's too flaky. It's too flaky. I don't know how we've done that. There's a bit of a chonker there. I'm gonna say that's good. Alright, and she said to do the same thing as before. How she's folding it, miraculously. Alright. Nice. Without fail. I'm gonna give it, that's making it worse, isn't it? Is this even gonna come off? In one. It is. Jeff, I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna put that in the fridge. And let that rest for an hour. Or more. I don't know. We're back. We've got measuring jug. That is 100. Oh, okay. 102. Okay. Good. Okay, that's dissolved. Pretty much, I think. Alright, we're on to the actual, the eggy bit now. And it wants 120 ml evaporated milk. I'm kind of winging it here. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, you know? We can eyeball that. Probably a bit more. But vanilla's good, so who's gonna argue? Oh, this is too vanilla. Who says that? Eggs. Look at that. Look, it's fresh out the coop. Woo. Might try and crack it with one hand. We'll see. Can you do it? Can you do it without? Oh god. Hey! Pro chef. What's up? Oh, I've got egg all over my hands now. Alright, we want to whisk this up now. Give them a little pokey poke. Only the bubbles are bad. I've done it wrong, don't worry. Unlike everything else. No, you don't want the bubbles because they pose a bit of a weird. You don't want bubbles on. The egg tart's meant to be clean. They're meant to be clean, like clean. And bubbles, no. So you have to put that through a fine mesh strainer, like one of these, and then dilute it out. However, we're still waiting for our boiling sugar water to cool down so that we can whisk that in. This hasn't fully cooled down yet, but I'm impatient. And I'd say it's about room temp. So what we're gonna do, maybe it is too much now, fuck. We're meant to whisk that in. Hopefully it doesn't turn into some like cuddly bitch. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain this out here. Oh! We don't even have that much like embryonic sac. Get any remaining out. That's going in the fridge.
2,000 years later.
Welcome back. It's the morning. I've literally just gotten up. But we're running on a tight schedule here. So, we're going to take everything out of the fridge. We're going to preheat the oven to 190. Hope for the best, because I'm not very confident about the dough right now. It's feeling kind of stiff. Always have to make sure the shaft is nice and lubricated with dust. Okay. Oh, this is, wow. Okay. I'm not sure what to do with this, I'm not gonna lie. How do I save this? Is it savable? It's all just coming apart. Do I need to just put some water in it? This is going to be such a bad idea. I'm not sprinkling water on top. I'm hoping someone wants to save us. I should have just bought cling film. Oh my god, it's everywhere. don't want to jinx it, but it's kind of coming together. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Man, this is a bit of an arm workout. Move that over like a little jigsaw. Move that there. Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Is this kind of working? I don't want to say I did it, but we kind of did it. Alright, now all we have to do is put it into this. Is it stuck to the bottom? That's the real question. Okay. How do they do it? They normally like kind of roll it up, don't they? Okay, well we just lost a bit there, but... Okay. This is actually a monstrosity. And then you kind of pinch it around the thing. Jeff, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna give it that cheeky bit of... Okay, well that's just cutting it without giving any sort of indentation. Alright, you know what? Oh my god, the sun is blowing out everything. Alright, I've just switched the camera setting because obviously that was extremely overexposed, but you know, that's not looking too bad. They say to poke it with a couple forky forks, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We just pour it in, don't we? Yeah, we do. Alright. Okay. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I'm gonna put it in now. I'm gonna pray to every god there is, and we'll see how it comes out. So the timer's almost up, and it's still not bloody cooked at all. Can you see that shimmering? That's liquid egg. That's liquid egg. Yeah, didn't really account for things going on. Oh god, that's horrible, dirty. Jeez. Got some kind of bubble action going on. Oh, that's fucking raw. Kinda low key. Looks like Mike Wazowski. Just gonna throw that one out there, you know. So here's the thing. I would let it cook for a bit longer, but I have to catch a train in half an hour and I haven't left yet. So this is gonna be tight. Is it gonna burn my hands? Probably. I'm not sure how it's gonna survive a train journey or me carrying it to the train station. But we're gonna hope, for Jeff's sake, that it's gonna be good. Where the fuck am I? Okay, here's the moment of truth.
Who gets free and who gets free?
Ooh,
Oh, you got this sticky?
Oh yeah, actually. Yo, oh, it's cooked. It's cooked.
The train did the jump.
Oh my god.
Really, that looks so pretty.
They actually fucking cooked.
Hear me?
Why Avengers?
He'll have to sing.
I'll just start.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jay. Happy birthday.
That's yours. That's yours.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Wait, do you want me to plant it for COVID reasons?
What?
No, I've done it.
Is it good? Is it coming out? I forgot to put non-stick around it, so it's a bit crump. Is it cooked? It's cooked. It's cooked.
That's so smooth.
Oh,
That's so smooth.
oh, we fucking gone and done it. We got first bite.
Get it.
Don't vomit.
Silky smooth.
Fucking get it. He likes.
Yeah.
He likes.
He likes. Thank you.
It tastes like egg tart.
It tastes. That's what we want. That's what we went for. Thanks for watching. I just got out of the shower, so I look like a Jedi. But stay tuned for more videos. Good ciao.
Banana bread, like, is so good.
I'm
But it's
physically
literally
going
like.
to die. If I don't act like
Yeah.
That looked like such a lie.